Hi, Pipit. Say hello. What's your name? What's your name? Why are you so grumpy all of a sudden? Are you okay?
Hello, baby.
Were you looking for me? Are you looking for me?
No.
What?
Let's just see who was that.
Wow. Let's go over there and see if is that Manero? Is that Oh yeah, it is. Sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Ha? Naragto. Where should we go?
I thought someone fell.
Someone almost fell. Let's only stay here because we're not allowed to bring our slippers. Look, it's the city. It's the city. Come on, let's go.
My grandma something.
Ouch. Oh, we can buy a snack too. Let's go here. And there's the pool for kids. Amazing, isn't it?